YouTube, what's going on? Back in the fish room again, man. We're about to start phase 1 of the fish room rebuild. Going straight from this corner all the way to that corner on bricks and 2x4. I got two 2x4 8-footers and two 2x4 10-footers. So yeah, 18 foot on 6 bricks. I might have to go back and get some more bricks. Don't know just yet. We're gonna see what we can do. But it's all good, cause we gonna get it. We gonna get there one way or another. You understand what I'm saying? Watch me work. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do, got my bricks on my 2x4. The first thing I'm gonna do is drain the water out and put all the fish in one, either in a bucket and put a heater in there, because it is cold outside right now. It's like 35 degrees, 40, I think 30, 33, 35 degrees. What we're gonna do is drain each tank out. Hold on, man. It's my son. We're gonna drain each tank out and put all the fish in one, either put all the fish in this tank or in one of my white buckets. Got all the water in the tanks empty. Now I'm about to remove the tanks, break down the stands, and replace it with the new stands. Let's get this thing going. This tank is super heavy. Oh, I didn't realize this end was that heavy. Plan B. half a broom.
Garage therapy.
That tank gonna be heavy and I don't got nowhere to sit it right now. I'm kind of loaded up in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set it up over here. Get the first one set up. The first 2x4 bricks. Then I'll move that over here, okay? And oh yeah. So I told y'all, remember I told y'all I had a 40 gallon already that was cracked. I'm gonna try to fix it. Can't guarantee it's gonna get fixed. But that's my 40 gallon right there. Got a big crack going through there. And it's cracked on the lid. We'll try to, my son wanna be in the camera. But we're gonna go from there, man. All right, let's finish this thing.
You never believe it.
All right, this is where we at right now. Cut this out. 6 high.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hold on. So this is where we at. 6 high. We got the 2x4s on there.
John Aquatic Vibes.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Please comment and subscribe.
Please comment and subscribe this video.
John's Aquatic
Click that
Vibes.
thumbs up and see.
Say it again.
Subscribe. Click that thumbs up and click that subscribe.
All right, y'all. So eventually, this is what I got right now. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get some more bricks. I don't feel too comfortable with this. I feel like I need one more around here in the middle of them two. But yeah, that's it. This is a little junky in the garage. Just stuff everywhere. Some stuff I can't let y'all see because got another video coming. But that's my stand, man. 6 high. With the 2x4s, two 2x4s. One on the front, one on the back. And then those are 10 foot. Then I got the 2 8-foot 2x4s down there on 6. Yeah, I'm gonna clean off all that on the back wall too, so. But yeah, let me hurry up and finish this video for my son come in here and start talking. What's up, boy? I appreciate y'all for watching the video. I got all my fish in a bucket right now. I got them all in the bucket right now. Yeah. And that's pretty much it.
Get up there.